So we will be discussing about the numericals. So an electron moves in a circular path of radius 20 centimeter in a uniform magnetic field of 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. Find the speed of electron and period of revolutions. So to solve this question, we have to first of all remember about, or we have to revise about the long question that we have studied about the motion of electron inside the magnetic field. So as we have discussed, so when an electron moves inside the, let me just say this is an electron, it moves inside the magnetic field, then it follows the circular path. So as we have discussed this in long question, so it follows the circular path. So force and velocity, so this will be force and this will be velocity. Okay, so first of all let us just write what is given in the question. So we have to write first of all given. So radius of a circular path, so we will write radius r equals to 20 centimeter. So we have to convert this into SI unit, so that will be 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Then magnetic field is also given, so magnetic field B will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. So velocity of electron, so speed, so they has asked speed, so we can write, so velocity V will be what, and period of revolution, so we can also write time period T equals to what. Also we can also calculate frequency. So what is the frequency of an electron? So these are the given. So we know, so we have to first calculate the radius, I mean the velocity of an electron. So when it moves inside the magnetic field, so as we know, so we have to write BeV equals to mv square by r. So where B is magnetic field, E is charge of an electron, V is velocity, m is mass of an electron as it is given. Also we can write the charge of an electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So velocity it gets cancelled. So to calculate velocity, we will write BER by m, or if we replace the values, so magnetic field it is given as 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So charge of electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, radius 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by mass of an electron, so 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So our answer will be, so velocity V will be equals to 7.02 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Now we have to calculate the time period. So time period again, so we will write, as we have studied this, velocity will be equals to omega r. In class 11 in rotational dynamics and in circular motion, so we have discussed this equation. This is velocity, translational velocity, this is angular velocity, and this is radius. So V will be equals to omega, in place of omega we can write 2 pi by t into r. So time period 2 pi by t, 2 V into r, so that will be 2 pi into radius 20 into 10 to the power minus 2, and in place of velocity we can write 7.02 into 10 to the power 7. So our answer for this equation will be 1.79 into 10 to the power minus 8 second. Also we can calculate the frequency by using the same formula, velocity equals to omega r, or velocity equals to 2 pi f r. So our frequency will be v by 2 pi r. So that will be velocity 7.02 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 2 pi into and radius, so that will be 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. So our formula will be 5.58 into 10 to the power 7 revolution per second. Okay.